Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here, and today we are going to create an account on Onlinejobs.ph. So as you can see over here, we are at the interface of Onlinejobs.ph, and if we scroll down over here, like commentary searches, like what people are usually searching, which is virtual assistant, Amazon expert, Facebook marketing copywriter. So these all the skills which you can see over here, and you can see more over here, like for your future job title. So as you can see, looking for talent, if you are going to looking for the talent, you can just go ahead and looking for work. And obviously it's a working virtual workers for Philippines. Obviously, as you can see over here, the job board for virtual workers in the Philippines. So this is the Philippines website, just remember that. And you can just sign up from here. Just start signing up from here, and you will end up over here. As you can see on the left side, that I'm an employer looking for amazing hires, but we are going to create here for like I'm a worker looking to find work. On the right side, as you can see there, so just click on create account. So right now you can see over here, create a free job seeker account, and obviously you are going to mention your full name. It will be shown on your profile, just remember that. I mentioned your email address, obviously password, and you can see the option like I am Filipino. I understand Onlinejobs.ph is only for Filipino workers, just remember that. Just check on it. Answer this, what is the fruit mentioned in later on there. So papaya and uh, tamarind trees, and just check everything. I'm not robot, and register. Thing you need to do, that you need to confirm your link. Next thing you need to do, confirm the link from your email which you have given, and just click on OK, got it. So this is the second step which we can see over here, that step 2, create profile. So here we are going to mention everything about our job, the thing we are going to do on online jobs. So here you are going to add your title, job title. Like for me it's graphic designing, so I'm just gonna write graphic designing, and I can do a lot of things in the graphic designing. So just remember that whatever you are going to put over here, most of them are going to show it to your clients, because obviously he needs to know what have you done before, and what have you not done before, and what are you doing, obviously, right? So for me, graphic designing will be over here, and I can write accordingly, like what things I can create, like flyers, posters, visiting cards, brochures, and different the graphic designing stuff which I can create from here. So I can just put all the details over here, not all the details because it's a summary, just to the point, just mention everything to the point over here, and that's it. So the next option is desired salary, as you can see, and it's a Philippine pesos per month. So just accordingly per month, you can just go ahead and choose anything from here. So for this designing purpose, like for this tutorial purpose, actually, I'm just gonna like do random, like 65,000, and 65,000 Philippine peso. Next step is highest education attainment. You can just say like I did not graduate from high school, or high school diploma, whatever you have been doing, that you can obviously you can mention over here. Here you are going to tell like what experience do you have. So I would prefer tell them everything which you have done. Like obviously if you are a graphic designer, you have done some work for yourself to learn something, like to learn graphic designing. Like for Photoshop, to learn Photoshop you have to work on it, all right? So obviously you haven't done work for anyone, but that doesn't mean that you didn't work for anyone. So you can just write over here like you have done for 6 months and everything like that. You can just go ahead and write every experience over here. You can just go ahead and you can see over here, like if you are unemployed or still in school, you can just go ahead and go ahead and like take part on it, like freelancing part-time or full-time. So I'm just gonna go ahead like freelancing. Number of hours you want to work in a week. So this is very like tricky, but you can also choose anyone from here, like 10 plus 20 plus. So you can just go ahead and do that accordingly, your like whatever you prefer. Mention your date of birth, and you need to mention your phone number over here, and you can just mention your website if you want, because people can actually see what have you done from your website if you have done anything over here. So just remember that. Gender, male or female. Yes, I'm willing to use time proof. Time proof is a protection for your whatever you are going to work is going to record, so that online job can keep up like if you are doing any work or not. So just you can just go ahead and click on it if you want. And you can see one more thing over here, like after every single heading you can see it's a star. So these are requirements which you have to mention in your while creating your account. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this, and I'm going to go ahead to step number 3, which is rate your skills. Now we are at the third step, which is rate your skills. As you can see on this description, which they have mentioned, and you can see that don't fake it. If you fake it, the employer will know very quickly, and they will properly fire you because you lied here. If you don't have a skill, leave it blank. It won't prevent you from getting a job. So what's happening here? If you are going to mention your skills over here, like I am very an expert for like admin assistant, so and in actuality I don't even know about like admin assistant. I'm just going to go ahead and give myself a 4 star, and if someone is going to hire us, obviously, and they will know that I haven't done anything before. So just be careful whatever you are going to do over here. So for my purpose, like as you can see on the left side, English, you can just go ahead and rate yourself, like how good is your English over here. You can just go ahead, translation, tutoring, teaching, writing, and English experience. If you want to mention that, you can also mention that. I'm done with ratings and writing. As you can see how much you have done for yourself, like self-assessed skill rating, blogging, copywriting, creative writing, ebook writing. So these all are the skills which you are going to mention. So just be careful. uh, don't mention anything live here, because if something comes up and if you can do that, it will be a bad impression to your profile. Graphic designing, which is mine, obviously I can do logo design. I'm good at it, like I'm good, like, because I don't usually create the logo design, but I do know how to create it. Photoshop, best. I believe that I'm the best. So yeah. Print design, yeah. Recording audio, I'm good at it, I guess. Video editing, good. Web page design, if you want to mention that, mm, not that great, but yeah. Graphics editing, illustration, AutoCAD, InDesign, and blah blah blah. So this is all we have, and you can also mention over here that extra things if you have any experience. Software development, finance management, customer service, professional services, project management. Once you are done with this, just go ahead and click on I'm done with ratings. Congratulations, you're well on your way to having an online job. Apply for jobs which you're qualified, or you can just go ahead and open your account. So I'm just gonna click on over here, like apply for job. Why not? Just click on it, and you will end up over here. You can see that technical SEO executive, full-time job. Any lead generation called calling, any like you can just go ahead and read everything under right over here, and everything like whatever is going to be the latest job over here, it will show up right over here. As you can see, July 31. Today is July 31, so yeah, you can just go ahead and scroll down. You can see there are multiple jobs over here. You can see that, and on the left side you can see employment tab. Like if you are a freelancer, just uncheck those button, but I don't think you just need to do that. Just go ahead and read everything and apply to it if you want. um, and that's it. This is all you need to know how to create your account on Onlinejobs.ph. So I hope you understand what I've tried to say. It's a very easy way to create your account. Just remember to mention every single thing genuine, because people are going to see every single thing from your information. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand what I've tried to say. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye.